Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your saved jobs in LinkedIn. If you've been browsing through job listings and saving positions that caught your eye, this quick guide will show you exactly where LinkedIn keeps them all organized for easy access. First, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your profile. This step is essential as all your saved jobs are tied to your specific LinkedIn account. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the navigation bar at the top of the page. You'll see several options like Home, My Network, and Messaging. What you want to click on here is Jobs. This section is LinkedIn's dedicated space for all job-related activities, from searching for new opportunities to tracking applications and managing saved positions. Once you click on Jobs, you'll be taken to the main Jobs page. Now shift your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where LinkedIn organizes various job management tools. Look for an option labeled Job Tracker and click on it. The Job Tracker is a fantastic feature that helps you keep tabs on all your job search activities in one convenient location. After clicking Job Tracker, you'll notice some tabs at the top of the page. These tabs help you organize different aspects of your job search. Make sure you're on the Save tab. This is where LinkedIn stores all the job postings you've bookmarked for later review. If you're on a different tab, simply click Saved to switch over. And that's it. You've successfully located all your saved jobs in LinkedIn. From here, you can browse through the positions you've saved, review job details, and decide which ones you'd like to apply to. This feature makes it incredibly easy to keep track of opportunities that interest you without having to search for them all over again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.